Post that record. Here we go.
While you wait for your cake to bake, I'm going to show you how to make syrup. For syrup,
Alright, y'all. Happy Vlogmas 2021. This is another vlog for the books. Today's Leches cake. 3 milks. Alright, guys. We need baking powder.
We're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees and spray the pan. Spray it.
they have this little apparatus.
Some
The green part, the stem.
vinegar oil, virgin olive.
Combine into our, not into the yolks, but into the egg whites. We have to add in flour, baking powder, and salt. So 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. One foot. Dip it in and put. So now that we've did that part, it says for us to add 3/4 cup sugar to the bowl with egg yolks. Add mix on high speed until yolks are pale yellow. So here we are with our egg yolks. That's the sugar. This point. So while I mix, he's going to pour 1/3. So we're gonna do, while I mix, because you mix these until it turns a pale yellow. And while I do that, he's gonna get the milk and the vanilla extract together. We need 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract, and then 1/3 cup of milk. So next we're going to pour our egg yolk mixture, which is this one, the yellow one. We're going to pour that over our flour mixture, which is here. Put our batter into our pan that we already
Sprayed.
and we're gonna go ahead and just pour that in there evenly. Get your your spatula.
Whip it to the whip.
Get all that
Whip it.
batter out of there. Looks like it's gonna be thick. You put on that salsa. So guys, we have this started. Oh, it wasn't even recording. Y'all, Coco, she in here in the kitchen with us whipping.
You hungry? Yeah.
Yeah, she's on her slobber mode now, guys. Teething. But here is our batter. It's in our pre-sprayed pan. I'm going to go ahead and stick that in the oven, which we already had over here preheating at 350 degrees.
You say the top or bottom?
It don't say, but maybe put it at the bottom so then it don't burn or something. And stove.
How much time?
I think it said 25 to 30 minutes.
Yep.
What'd you say, Coco? So Coco says what? Hey.
These little burning on top like that?
Alright, y'all. So we just came from the store and we went and picked up a few things, some strawberries, some whipped cream to add onto it. It's kind of cutting me off, but it'll be alright. The cake has finished and it's a good size, you know, it's a good size, but for me, I like a thick cake. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make another one of these, okay? I'm gonna make another one of these. This is what it looked like after 25 to 35 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. Let's turn that off. We're gonna let that keep, it's already warm. So we're gonna start from the beginning, which means I have to grab everything back out.
Yeah, I didn't know that. That's what you said something.
Okay, something that I learned, and because I'm about to take and combine these two cakes, something I learned growing up. I don't have no more flour. Alright, so something I learned growing up, you take flour after you batter your pan so that it'll be easier for you to remove your product from the pan. You go ahead and you put a little bit in your pan and you swift it around the flour. And then when it's time to pick it up at the end, it'll slide right off. Nothing's gonna stick to the pan. So we're gonna go ahead and add this batter in. This is the second batch, so that we can have a thicker cake. So it'll be 2-layer Tres Leches cake, which means it's gonna be a little bit more work because I'm gonna have to take and make sure I put the stuff on each layer of the cake, so both layers of the cake can be saturated in the milk. All right. We'll put that in the oven again for milk, your 3 milks. It can seep into the bread and it can make everything nice and moist. And the fact that we did too, let me show y'all this, y'all, because remember, just a second ago I told y'all, you take and you put the flour in the bottom and you sift it. Look at this, look at this. You see that? That's what it's like. You know what I'm talking about? I'm not even a professional. I'm just a basic chick. But we're going to put that right here for now. Because what we're going to do is, since I'm doing 2 pieces, we're going to make the milk. And then we're going to start with the first piece. We're going to do that one first. We're going to pour the batter onto it so that it can get moist. This one is perfect because we were home. Yeah. So all we have to do really is to combine all tres leches. Habla en español para mí. Con heavy whipping cream.
I didn't even know how to say whipping cream. I can't even think right now. Oh, crema de leche.
Crema de leche. Uh-huh. Crema de leche. Open it, because I can't.
Crema de leche.
Condensed milk. Is there a word for that? Oh, here we go. I got it, guys. I got it. And I'm not even Espanol. Leche condensada. And this is my mom's favorite thing. Scraping that one. I'm gonna get this one, which is the evaporated milk. Leche evaporada. Evaporada.
Evaporada.
Say that loud so they can hear.
Leche evaporada.
Leche evaporada.
Yeah. Is right. Good job. You just everything you okay for that.
It feels watery now. So guys, after I added all of that thick stuff in there, it's actually very, very, very watery, which is good for me. So that means what I'm about to do is, I'm gonna add some whipped topping to the middle of my cake. That, but whipped cream. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there because I'm just gonna add it. This is something new. I didn't do this last time because I followed the instructions. This time I'm doing what I want. We're gonna figure it out. If it's not good tomorrow, then it's not good. You tested out on family, right? But don't listen to Plies. He said don't come with the aluminum foil. This is the easiest route to go. So we're taking the fork and we're gonna stick it in. Yeah, you welcome. You see? What are you talking? Where's the damn thing?
What you looking for?
I'm putting some aluminum foil over it, and I'm gonna allow this to sit overnight. We have to be there by 2, which means tomorrow I'll probably get up early so that I can check it. And I'm going to add in my strawberries and my decorations. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, let it sit overnight. Everything should be nice and soaked. The reason why I'm not putting the strawberries and stuff on right now is because last time I did that, the strawberries started to move. I'm trying to let the milk and everything settle in here. And then tomorrow, before I go, I'll put the strawberries and the decorations on there, and it'll be just beautiful. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, tune in to Vlogmas every year.
Click the link below.
Click the link below. Click that link below. Click that link below. Okay, I'm doing too much. But, click that link below, like he said. Today we're doing Tres Leches. We're going to always do some stuff that's cultural. We're going to always make sure that everybody likes what we're doing, and we're going to be able to eat it. Okay? So, I'll holla at y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Peace.